My name is Daudi Gadesha. I am a farmer and I'm also a landlord. My family motivates me. Whenever I wake up and I see them, I feel like earning more for them. I can say business is in my blood. I learned it from my father when I was growing up. Every time I wake up, I think about business, weekdays, weekends.
We use technology in terms of the teacher computers. All of our bridge teachers have teacher computers on the Nook and in terms of teaching. So what happens inside this Nook, we have scheduled programs and scheduled lessons. And this helps our teachers, in terms of time management.
Well, if you are a parent with us and you wanted to pay school fees, what we do is that we use M-Pesa to pay our fees. It is convenient, it is very fast, and it saves their time.
I have to secure my child's future. And M-Pesa helps me by paying school fees on time. All he needs now is to have good grades that will take him to a very good college.
I Love Africa and Safaricom started way back in 2010, where we came together to form the Safaricom Academy, and the main purpose of which was to be able to promote and build capacity in mobile applications development. Safaricom has provided us with the devices, mobile devices, running all the way from feature phones to tablets to smartphones across the different platforms. Safaricom has also provided with donated a server, very high capacity server that has provided us with the hosting requirements that can allow their students to be able to provide and access the test environment.
The Safaricom Strathmore partnership has achieved trailblazing elements, excellence, and beyond that, wisdom. It's not just the mobile telco perspective, but also the angle of transforming lives through the products and services that you're launching. What have we noticed? That there's much less disengagement in class in terms of, I've read the case, I've discussed it, but more importantly, that they're taking advantage of the fact that technology can change the way we live our lives.
Our teachers actually use the teacher computer in teaching, and the lessons inside the teacher computers are actually scripted. They actually have the teacher computer, the tablets, which don't have actually internet connection, but I have a smartphone. So actually I sync in the morning, and when I sync, I use data.
Part of I Love Africa is not just the Safaricom Academy. We are doing quite a lot of work in the public sector. We are responsible for building the revenue collection system for Kiambu County.
For us, our mantra is transforming leadership so as to change the face of this continent. So even just on a strategic and a mission perspective, we already have a congruence right there. And for us, when we look at partners, we are constantly looking to see whether there's a value alignment and whether what we're trying to do and what the partner is trying to do have a mutually beneficial perspective.
Initially, our parents, the tariff which they were using was a little bit high, whereby a single transaction going to our bridge from M-Pesa was 17 Kenya shillings. But when the CEO of Safaricom came to our school and he actually saw what you are doing, the quality education you are giving to the community around, we actually saw the tariffs drop to about 1% per transaction.
Some of the opportunities that we can explore further is provide access to some of their platform as a test platform to allow students and our incubators to access and test some of their application in a real life situation.
There's a time, as you can see, my eyes are almost failing me. So once I was sending some money to a client and it went to the wrong number. And you know I'm not in postpaid, so trying to call customer care, it took a lot of time for the reversal. So most of the time, I think we have to improve on that. Children have to be nurtured so that they can have proper goals, so that they can achieve more. Also remember, you have to instill very good values so that we can build a bright future for anyone.